Hey, today it's me and I'm doing a Lego set review, the Lego Movie Ice Cream Truck. And here the characters come closer a little bit. And here they are. Here we have a little bit closer. Here we have Ice Cream Joe. She has a ponytail. It says Joe on her name tag. Here's Ice Cream Mike. He has some sideburns and it says Mike on his name tag. And here's Cardio Carrie. It's really hard to keep her hair on, so it always falls off. So that's what. So here's the inside. Here. Sorry guys. Alright, got it. Come closer. Right down here. You can move the characters around in here. Yeah. So you would take Ice Cream Joe in here, and he would be driving around and Ice Cream Joe in here. I'm sorry, got mixed up. Ice Cream Mike, Ice Cream Joe, and Cardio Carrie. Here's the fun thing you can do about this set. You put this roof on, and you put this roof on, and you could do a scooch up. Can just and put Cardio Carrie right on. I got her on here. I want my ice cream. Hey, Ice Cream Joe, I think there's a kid on our truck. Yeah. Do you have any frozen yogurt? No, ice cream only. Sorry. There's a little ice cream on the top here. It has a little hole. Whenever there's a hole in an ice cream, when it melts, the ice cream falls out right here. There's some ice cream on the sides. Here's some speakers that sing the Everything's Awesome song. Here's some stickers, and here it's a little flavors thing, and so there's wheels, and on the back here there's a little, and on the front there's a license plate. It says Vicksburg 91056, and that was the ice cream trucks. Bye. So, bye guys. I still want my ice cream.